I've been to this language course a couple of times. Swedish is a hard language to learn.
How come you are here studying Swedish?
I came here as a refugee 1 month ago with my family. According to the law, this language course should be offered by the municipalities to all new arrivals. They also teach us about the Swedish society.
Well, that is good if you are planning to stay here and find a job.
Yes, I'm afraid the war in my country will be long.
So what about employment? Do you have the right to work here?
The Swedish state provides support to new arrivals for the first 2 years. Also at the employment center here in town. I have a job coach who is trying to help me find a job. But it is hard when I do not know the language. But they tell me that further studies are probably necessary in order to find qualified work here.
So you are starting your life all over again. In Germany it is a bit different. Asylum seekers, for instance, are fully excluded from the labor market for 1 year after the submission of their asylum application.
Yes, that is different.
So are you planning to stay here for a long time?
Well, yes, I do not believe I can return to my country anytime soon. Swedish law permits dual citizenship. I can therefore be a citizen of 2 countries at the same time. As a refugee, I will be able to apply for citizenship after 4 years.
That's good. In Germany, refugees may be able to apply for citizenship after 6 years residence. And dual citizenship is restricted under German law. But there have been discussions about it, that Germany should allow multinationality to integrate all of those immigrants that came in the 60s to work here.
What about discrimination in Germany?
Well, we have the new Anti-Discrimination Act from 2006. The purpose of the new act is to ensure equal treatment for all in the workplace. As a result, employers are now expressly prohibited from discriminating against job applicants or employees on the basis of gender, race or ethnic origin, religion or belief, age, disability, or sexual orientation.
Oh yes, I've heard about it. They have a very similar act here in Sweden. At work, the laws apply to all employers, employees, and candidates, regardless of whether or not the discrimination is intentional. In serious cases, workplace discrimination might involve unfair treatment in terms of wages, employment conditions, promotion opportunities, or direct harassment. If someone is accused of discrimination, the employer is responsible for investigating the situation and taking appropriate measures. If the law is broken, an employer may then be required to pay damages.
In Germany, an employee who has been discriminated against can claim damages within 2 months from becoming aware of such discrimination. And under the new law, the employer is also obliged to protect employees from discrimination and discriminatory harassment by co-workers or third parties, such as customers.
So in Germany, who do you talk to when you feel discriminated at work?
It can be hard to find information about it on the internet. But there is something called AGG Legal Advisor. According to the AGG Law of Damages and Rights to Compensation, you must register your claim within a term of 2 months if you believe you have been discriminated against, and you would like to challenge it. You should consult with a lawyer or get expert legal advice about this. And in Sweden?
Well, there is the Equality Ombudsman, a government agency. It is primarily concerned with ensuring compliance with the Discrimination Act. The Ombudsman registers and investigates complaints based on the law's prohibition of discrimination and harassment, and can represent victims in court free of charge. If you have been discriminated against at your workplace, you can also report the matter to your union.
I see. It has been nice talking to you. I have a train to catch. You are more than welcome to visit me in Germany whenever you please. Good luck with everything.
Thank you very much. And you are welcome back here anytime.